For centuries, wild herbs have been consumed by people. They can add flavor and nutrition to your diet. Here are 4 common wild herbs that are edible and easy to find. Dandelion. This is a very common weed that grows in lawns, meadows, and fields. The whole plant is edible, including the leaves, flowers, and roots. Dandelion leaves are a good source of vitamin A, C, and K, as well as calcium, iron, and potassium. Nettle. The perennial herb can be found in damp, wooded areas. The leaves and stems of the nettle are covered in stinging hairs, so it can hurt your fingers when you touch. But once you cook or dry it, the plant becomes edible. Nettle is a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Wild garlic. Also known as ramsons, it's native to Europe and Asia and produces small white flowers in the spring. It has a flavor that is similar to domestic garlic, but is milder. The leaves and bulbs of wild garlic are edible and a great source of vitamin A and C, as well as calcium, iron, and potassium. Chickweed is a common weed that grows in lawns, gardens, and fields. The entire plant is edible and a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as calcium and iron. Chickweed plant has various benefits such as anti-inflammatory properties, reducing pain and swelling. It also helps to improve digestion and skin health. Before consuming these weeds, remember identify them properly, as some wild plants are poisonous and deadly. Consult a field guide or an experienced person before eating any wild plants.